Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how to change icon style, icon size on Oppo phone. Friends, you want to change your phone icon size, and friends you want to change your phone icon style. So how to change it today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo phone. So when scroll it, friends click on this personal setting. Friends, you want to change your phone theme, you want to change wallpaper, you can change from here. Friends, click on icon style. Friends, you can select your icon style. Friends, you can see default style. Friends, we have two style, and friends if you click custom, so you can select your icon style from here guys. Which style guys do you like guys, select. And friends, you want to change icon size, so come back friends, again click on icon style, and friends you can change this icon. So friends, you can see icon size friends, we can change from here. You want to decrease, you can decrease, and you can increase from here. And friends, you can see app name. Friends, you want to change your app name size, so you can change your app name size from here. So I select your style, icon style, and you can change your icon size, and you can change your icon name from here. So let's come back friends, you can see icon style will change on our Oppo phone device. So like that friends, you can change your icon style. And friends, you want to decrease your icon size, so again click here. Friends, you don't want to use this large icon size, so guys you can decrease from here. Friends, you can see icon size will decrease on our Oppo phone device friends. So like that friends, you can increase and decrease icon size from here, and you can change icon style from here guys. And friends, you want to change app layout, so you can change app layout from here friends. So friends, you can change from here your font and display size. So like this friends, we can use icon style setting, and we can change on Oppo mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.